I feel like as a trans man, people try to put me in like a box of masculinity. And if you conform outside of that, they're like, what are you? I know that I am a feminine man. So at Sephora, I am a skincare advisor, and I do mini facials, I do perks, and I help clients find their skincare routine. Growing up in the Midwest, I just never felt comfortable in my body. I didn't know what to do with myself. I was very kind of repressed. I came to Seattle to transition. The biggest challenge that I've had is less of the transition and more of the power dynamic of masculinity versus femininity. I really felt that in order to be a trans man, I had to be masculine and I had to fit this definition in this box. And that wasn't really who I was. Like, I'm actually pretty feminine and like really bubbly, and I like bright colors, and I really like to express myself in feminine ways. I feel like people don't understand. They get confused. They're like, well, you wanted to be a man, so why are you being feminine? Even sometimes within the community, that support isn't there. I found that Sephora really offered me this space to take everything and present it in such a real form. Because I've never been in a space where people have fully appreciated that before, and it just makes me want to get up and go. I've had clients that come in and they thank me for being myself. It's really allowed me a feeling of belonging. If I can speak to all of those that are going through some sort of gender identity struggle, who have these conflicts, it's important to take up space. It's okay to be yourself.